So Pepe Coin just crashed 15%. You can see now there were some spooky transfers now happening on Pepe Coin, especially the Pepe Coin dev wallet. And we're gonna go through this in this video here, as well as if I am buying here in this dev, what I am doing, and what are my next steps here. This is what we're gonna discover here in this video. So with no further ado, let's get into it. So first of all, if you enjoyed these videos, please leave a like and subscribe. And check out FairDesk. There is a huge bonus on your deposits going on right now. No KYC, no VPN needed to trade. You can trade most of the altcoins here, including Pepe Coin. So what's happening here, guys? What actually is happening here? So if you've been following me, you know here in this video, and we can even see it on the thumbnail, I'm showing where Pepe Coin is headed, and I'm telling you I'm buying more at this dip. And now we are seeing this exactly happening here in the charts, exactly as predicted. And we're gonna get more into the fact that if I'm buying this dip or not later on in this video. But first of all, we want to see what's happening here exactly. So yesterday we saw this transaction happening on the Pepe Coin on Signature wallet, which basically is a wallet that is used for security reasons, where a lot of people are needed to sign the transaction in order for that wallet that hold Pepe Coin, or the dev wallet that hold Pepe Coin, to actually transfer the coins or whatnot. After the Signature wallet went from requiring 5 people to accept the transaction, went down to 2 transactions, we then seen a lot of Pepe tokens being sent to Binance, OKX, Bybit. Overall, it's around $15 million worth of Pepe tokens. And I've tracked the address here, and as we can see here, it happened 15 hours ago, where 16 trillion Pepe tokens were transferred from the main address. And if we check the transaction, went from the Signature wallet, and we can see here 16 trillion worth, $14.2 million worth of Pepe tokens went to this address here, which is basically the Pepe contract. And then we started seeing those Pepe tokens going to Binance, OKX, Bybit. So basically this was a bad news here for Pepe Coin. Now so far we're still waiting for the Pepe Coin Twitter account to say something about it. This is exactly what I'm doing right now. Now you can see the last tweet happened the 12th of August. Now some people are speculating that that's the day where Sam Bankman-Fried got arrested, and since then we did not get any tweets, and a lot of people are linking dots and then saying that maybe Pepe Coin was created by Sam Bankman-Fried, but this is still a far-fetched speculation here. But the main point here is what's happening here. Why did they transfer those things? Now we're still waiting for them to say something about it here on their Twitter page. Now so far Binance or none of those big exchanges that support Pepe Coin have said anything, which is still good so far. Now we do not want to see any unlisting going on here for Pepe Coin, but I do not think so far this could happen. Anyways guys, now we get to the point of what I am doing here. Am I buying Pepe Coin here? Now if you've been following me, you know exactly here. I've already warned you guys, I am waiting for this dip here on Pepe Coin. So this comes with no surprise if you are following me. Other than that, if you're new, if you're watching my channel for the first time, you're wondering what's happening, well basically what we were expecting here is a dip here, and especially take this low, and then we're waiting to add more Pepe Coin here and then wait for higher prices. So basically so far, if we draw a line from the previous low on Pepe Coin here, we can see that it got taken, and now we are having a huge wick above, which is a swing failure pattern, which is usually bullish. Now we basically, from a technical analysis standpoint, a lot of stop losses are resting here, a lot of liquidity, and then it got taken here. So a lot of people that had their stop losses here waiting for higher on Pepe Coin. Now this is only on derivative trading, which is usually where most of the volume happens. And now what we can see, we've taken this low and now we're above it. And especially now, if you've been following me, you know as well that I use this tool called the fixed range, and we also been waiting for this lines here, or for the low of these ranges. We can see now it's still a range bound environment where we're doing this. Now from a technical standpoint, this is a bottom, right? So we are at a bottom. It all looks good, it all looks like we are at the bottom. So what's next here? What I'm expecting here, besides me waiting for Pepe Coin Twitter page to say something, while it might be late now, then if there is a positive news, if they say something, they are building something or something like that, then we can see a full retracement back at least towards here to recover the dump. If we go to lower time frames, like let's say the hourly, what I want to see is this downtrend here to get taken. Now this downtrend here means now so far here we're still seeing some strength off after the bounce here, which is good. Now what I want to see is to break this downtrend here and move back higher, take this high and hold here, and then we are going up again. This would be the main thing I will be looking for here on the chart. Other than that, as I've been saying guys, whenever we get a bottom, it's not like a V recovery, like we dump and then back up straight. We usually take some time. We kind of probably range here, and then we can then go back higher if everything is fine with the developers here, with what's going on here, with whatever happening here on Pepe Coin. Now if this is all good, then we're gonna go back up again, especially as well if BTC here comes back up and we see the whole market going back up. So anyways, this is my plan for now. And remember, nothing is financial advice. This is what I am doing right now. I'm updating you guys as promised here. I'm not letting you down. I know a lot of people now are holding Pepe Coin and wondering what's happening here. So now it's explained. Now remember, also bad news, they always happen. Almost every altcoin has had some sort of a fraud or some sort of bad news happening. So this always happens. This is not news. This is the markets. This always happens. We're still waiting now for them Twitter page here to say something. I'm as well gonna make sure, guys, to update you here with what's going on. You can also join my Discord. It's for free. The link in the description. I'll keep you updated. You can also ask me questions or whatever you want to ask me there. And don't forget, you can also follow my trades on FairDesk. No KYC, no VPN needed to join. You get also a huge bonus on your deposit. You can follow my trade, make money passively here while I am day trading every day. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And remember, nothing is financial advice as always. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.